Ready to make waves in your fitness career? Join the Shallow and Deep H2O Instructor Certification in Etobicoke this May. The on-site training runs over 2 powerful weekends, May 2nd, 3rd, 9th, and 10th at Alderwood Pool from 9 a.m. to 7:30 p.m., including daily in-water training to build real, hands-on skills. What makes on-site training so valuable? You're learning by doing, practicing in a real pool, getting immediate feedback, and developing the confidence to lead live classes. It's the fastest way to truly feel prepared and job ready. Spots are limited. Register on-site through the City of Toronto using activity number 111439, or choose the virtual path that fits your schedule, running this May 7th through 28th. Working as an aqua fitness instructor involves leading water-based fitness classes that improve strength, flexibility, and cardio health. You guide participants through exercises, adjust routines for different abilities, and keep the class engaging and safe. The role blends fitness knowledge, clear instruction, and strong people skills, all in a low-impact aquatic environment. Get certified and start leading with confidence this spring, and we will help make a master out of you.